Ayan. Sir Monching, no offense meant, no? Pero nasabi nyo kasi kanina, parang yung mga kids nyo wala namang pinagdaan ng mental health.
Sa pagkakaalam ko lang, syempre hindi ko naman
Oo. Pero kasi yung role mo dito parang may pagka-true to life.
May pagka-true to
Diba?
life.
Oo.
Kasi bakit?
Dahil di ba, syempre yung separation.
Yes.
Oo. So, nung mga time ba na yon wala silang naging issue? Paano nyo hinandle? Paano nyo na-explain sa kanila yung gano'n para maiwasan yung mental health problems sa mga kids?
Nung maghiwalay kami ni Lot, even na magkahiwalay kami, we were co-parenting ba? Tawag doon? Co-parenting. No? So, hindi naman, of course, nafe-feel ng mga bata na magkahiwalay kami. But as much as possible, syempre bilang mga magulang, you try to compensate. Now, kahit hiwalay kayo, you try to spend more time with me, more time with Lot, ganun. So, naging okay naman.
So that's the same thing na ina-advise nyo ngayon sa mga couples na naghihiwalay, how to raise their children.
Yung makikipaghiwalay ka. Oo, I guess to each his own. Iba-iba, di ba? Hindi tayo pare-pareho ng sistema. Pero kung may mga kaibigan ako na, kunyari, nagkakahiwalay yung family nila, I just always tell them na always prioritize your children. Kahit meron kayong hindi pinagkakasunduan, bilang mag-asawang naghiwalay, dapat siguro isang tabi yun para sa kapakanan ng mga anak.
Ayan, thank you.
Salamat po.
Alright. Sa producer, ako na po yung magtatanong. Kay Ma'am Michelle, tsaka kay Sir Lawrence, ano po yung nag-joke sa iyo to produce this film?
So, first, sabi ko nga, I'm really interested in producing a film. I do have, during my younger years na nagtatalent, so parang, oh, why not come back in a different form naman, not just a model, not just, a talent. And as I said, nung in-offer siya sa akin ni Direk Errol, the theme was so nice. And yun nga, I have experience within the family about, broken family, depression, bullying. And so, nung ino-offer siya sa akin ni Direk Errol, I'm like, okay, let's do it. And I want to finish it. Sabi ko, kahit anong mangyari, let's finish it because gusto kong maraming matulungan. I want people to understand more what is mental health. And then, I want a lot of people to know then kung paano sila makakatulong in every form para makasave din tayo. Not just to help them, but we are also saving lives. Pagka naintindihan natin and we learn how to approach it.
Kay Sir Lawrence.
Well, honestly, she's the one who got me to help produce the film. But I'd have to say, I also have interest in what she just described. I've learned that since the first day I met her about helping others. I've always wanted to help others, but not to the same degree that she's done for many years. So we've been involved in various charities, our own charities that we don't publicize. But when I heard about this particular film and the topic, it's like, hey, we can reach a lot of people this way, a lot more than any other way that we could reach people. So, yeah. So I was all on board once we got going with this.
Thank you po. Last